Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss about virtual machine. What is virtual machine? How is it work? And what is the benefit of virtual machine? So let's start. First, what is virtual machine? It is a computer-based architecture and function over a physical computer. Or we can say it is some separate computer on a physical computer. It provides to execute entire operating system, and as well as you can control full computer system, as we can control our RAM, hard disks, as well as our processor. Everything we control over this virtual machine. It allows host processor into virtual machine for run our OS, and it is free software. Virtual machine free for all. A virtual machine is a emulator, but to run our virtual machine we need a platform, and that platform we use in this video. This is VirtualBox. Now let's see. Open your favorite browser, search for VirtualBox. Now that first link in there, and download from here, or we can go download and select your system. After downloading, I hope you can do install by yourself. Now let's open the VirtualBox. This is the interface of our VirtualBox. I have already one, so it's look different. Let's create a VirtualBox. Go to new and type your operating system, which operating system you want to install here. For me I search for Linux. Type Linux because I have downloaded already, that's why. And then search for your, as if you install Windows, then type do Windows, or you can do Linux and others, as depend on your operating system. By default, it after write the name of your machine operating system, it takes automatically the type, which type of OS you want to install here. So after installing, get to the version, go for, in case of Linux, go for Debian 64-bit, and then next give your memory size, how much memory you want to that. It is the memory of RAM. I suggest you not cross the green line over to the red, up to green, because the virtual machine suggests you the best performance as your setup. And then the next, create a virtual disk now. Okay, now create, go for the first one, and then next, dynamic allocated. Then next, give your memory hard disk size, how much you want to give, and then create. And then go again to setting, come to system, or we can go advanced, and share clipboard and drag clipboard to here bidirectionally in both the cases. And then come to system, go to processor, set your CPU and your capacity, go to display, leave it as it is, and then come to storage. Here we provide the path of, for that, controller ID, select this option drop down and select, choose a disk, search for your operating system, and then create. Okay, it created the version. After that, you install your operating system as how it install in OS or Mac or Linux. It depends on your operating system how to install. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our gossipfunda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box, please check out. Thank you.